Welcome to Disneyland! Sama, 1, 2, 3, go! Welcome to Disneyland! Okay, sabi mo ha, 1, doon ka tingin. $84, no? Mga 500 pesos, 600, ganun umabot, no?
Papay ka lang.
Masarap ng chicken fillet nila. Grabe. Para siyang ano. Hindi siya fried eh. Bake ba siya, Bi? Bake? Sarap, grabe. Sarap ng chicken nila, guys. Hindi siya fried. Medyo fried siya. Pero parang bake. Manamis-namis na, no?
May honey.
May honey pala. Tsaka ang sarap, grabe.
Isaw-saw. Wow.
Egg din nila, sarap. Grabe, sarap. Ayun guys, nakatapos lang namin dito sa Cafe de Coral. So, sa taas ng McDo, medyo, last time kasi sa McDo kami kumain. Same price lang din, no? So, pero, para sa akin masulit yung Cafe de Coral, no? Kaysa mag-McDo kayo, akyat na lang kayo dito sa ano, o hanap kayo ng Cafe de Coral. Mas masarap mag-breakfast doon. Alright guys, dito na tayo sa Sunny Bay. Lipat lang. Lipat papunta dito sa Disneyland Resort. So dito na yung train. Ayan na. Sorry. Ito na si Mickey. Yay! Excited siya? Medyo hindi pupunta pero alas 10 pa lang din kasi. Wow, ito oh. Diba? Yes! Mickey! So, sakto lang yung oras natin guys. Kasi 9:40 pa lang. Hindi pa talaga bukas yung Disneyland. Nakain pa tayo. No? Siya, kasi matay yan. Tayo.
Dito
Ayaw.
sa gitna.
Picture muna tayo kay Disney. Ay, kay Mickey. Okay, picture. 1, 2, 3. Ayaw picture. Pabira, paano tayo? So, ito yung train. Papuntang Disneyland. Train, papuntang Disneyland. Ha?
Ang anak ko sabi mo robot.
Ano robot? Train. Si Mickey. Galing no, meron silang train talaga na papuntang Disney. Kumbaga, dito pa lang welcome ka na, no? Welcome ka na ni Mickey. Excited na ako, guys. Bali, pagpunta natin doon, sakyan na natin yung mga pwede natin sakyan. Yes. Excited ka na ba, baby? Yes? Dumidede pa yan. Natin. Bad trip. Naalala ko si Aljor. Narinig yung boses ni Miggy. Naalala ko si Aljor. Sorry, Aljor. Sumikat ka kasi. Dilim? Dilim? Naalala ko pa post ni Aljor. Ayan, okay na. Hindi na madilim. Medyo konti yung mga, siguro nakapila na yung iba. Doon. Ito, naka-Donald Duck pa na damit to. Wow, Donald Duck na damit pa, baby. Let's go! Wow, Disneyland. Joke lang pala na konti tao.
Madami yan.
Daming tao pala.
Yung nakuha natin year 2.
Ano yun? Oo, ibig sabihin, medyo maraming tao, no?
Kasi kung bukas kasi may possibility.
Oo, bukas,
May,
pwedeng umulan.
kaya ngayon kami.
Kaya ngayon tayo pumunta. Kaso, medyo marami nga lang tao.
Medyo mas mahal yun.
Mas mahal din ticket. Magkano nakuha natin?
Ano siya, 5,000 something.
Oh, yung mga 5K, no? 5K isa.
Mas mahal sa year 2 kaysa 1.
Tama. Hanap tayo elevator ulit.
Ay, hindi. Bukas talaga.
Galing guys, oh. Ganda ng itsura nila.
Ba yun?
Na
Nasaan ka, baby? Tayo.
elevator.
Nasaan ka? Disneyland?
往下，it's going down，往下。
Wow, ito na yan. Picture-picture muna talaga tayo dito. Saan? Yung bata. Ano. Sila rin, sakto-sakto. Disneyland din sila.
咁你哋去廁所，我哋三個兩位都得啦。廁所吉
Ah, maganda pala dito.
係啊，
Octopus pa rin. Hindi kaya yung ano. Putok. Pero okay lang. Teka, hindi kaya. Putok na putok. Putok na putok yung araw, no? Pero goods lang. Pwede na. So, ito, iconic, position, area ng Disneyland. Ayan, Putok yung araw. Putok nga lang yung araw, no, Bi? Putok lang yung araw. Welcome to Disneyland! Sama, 1, 2, 3, go! Welcome to Disneyland! Okay, sabi mo doon ka tingin ka doon, 1, 2, 3, go! Welcome to Disneyland! Isa pa, gano'n na. 1, 2, 3, go! Welcome to Disneyland! Lakasan mo! Sabi mo, welcome to Disneyland. 1, 2, 3, go! Welcome to Disneyland!
Sino ba kakita mo dito?
Ready na si Donald Duck. Alam ko guys, nagpapasok na eh. So, ganito siya kalawak, no? Sa labas. Yung araw niya, hindi naman ganun ka... Hindi, tirik pala yung araw, pero hindi ganun kalamig, kainit yung hangin. Sunog ka lang talaga dito. Ay, nagpapasok na. Mahaba nga lang yung pila, pero ox lang. So, ito yung dolphin.
Dolphin.
Sino ba yan? Ah, whale pala. Ayan, whale pala yan, sorry. Ayun yung pila.
Today, 祝你有開心奇妙嘅一日。朋友們，早上好，歡迎你來到香港迪士尼樂園。
Nakapasok na tayo, no? Bali, pwede naman magpasok ng mga tubig. Mga snacks, pwede naman. Hindi naman kami narang. Tapos, tripod, walang problema.
為了你的安全起見，
Hindi naman, walang kinuha sa amin. Pwede lahat. Pasok.
祝你有開心奇
So,
妙的
pila muna kami saglit
Good
dito.
morning, everyone, and welcome to Hong Kong
Hindi pa sila
Disneyland.
nagpapasok eh. Baka nag-a-announce pa lang.
Hong Kong Disneyland, so you may enjoy Main Street, USA.
Ayan na. Sakto dating natin guys.
Your first destination. Thank you.
10 o'clock sakto nandito na.
Ayan na. na?
Sakto dating natin, no?
Ayun na? Really?
Sakto lang pala gising natin, 8 o'clock. Tapos nag-breakfast tayo hanggang 8:30. Tapos biyahe tayo ng 8:30. Hanggang 9:45 nandito na tayo. So, chill lang. Hindi masyado maaga. Tsaka yung pila, hindi rin naman ganun karami, no, Bi? Kumbaga, marami nga siya. Pero hindi siya ganun yung katulad sa ano. Sobrang dami talaga. Na nagagawa na ng ano, space. Let's go. Hi guys, nakapasok na tayo. So, unang makikita nyo itong mukha ni Mickey. Dito. Disneyland. Ha? Hindi tayo mag-picture. Mamaya na. Ah, meron.
Sa ano? Sa castle.
Oh, sa castle na lang. Bakit dito? Kasi asado mo lang naman. Oh. So, hanap muna tayo ng mga rides na pwede si Mateo. Pwede rin tayo. Yung Frozen sana kaso baka matakot si Mateo agad. Hindi na sumakay sa mga ibang rides. So, hanap tayo ng iba na pwede. Medyo matagal yung yung pila papasok. Pero yung pag-freeze madali lang. Grabe. Disneyland. Yo. Uy! Bubbles! Tingnan natin yung mga reaksyon ni Mateo, guys. Kasi araw niya to eh. Ayun na si Mickey Mouse. Pa-picture na tayo agad kay Mickey Mouse. Mamaya, kung pa-picture tayo kay Mickey, sakay muna tayo siyempre. So, ito yung loob. Dito, ayan, pwede kayo magpa-picture kay Minnie Mouse. Kaso ang haba ng pila eh. Silip niya lang. Si Minnie Mouse. Mamaya na. Baka kay Mateo to guys. Itong Disney trip. Ayan. So, ito may malaking Christmas tree na sila oh. Let's go! Kaya mo na yan. Ayun yung castle guys. Yan, dyan tayo mamaya. Fireworks. Alam ko lalagpas muna tayo dun eh. Donald Duck, sige hanapin natin. Ganda talaga ng Disney. Mamaya abangan natin yung parade, no? Ayun yung pinaka gusto ko dito eh, parade. Kasi sobrang daming doon. Halos lahat ng character na andun. So makikita natin. Tsaka gusto ko makita yung reaction ni Mateo dun sa mga pinapanood niya na Disney character. Medyo mainit oh. Ano yung 3 days? Kung bira pati dito, 3 days eh. Hindi, wala nga. Wow! Kaya nga eh. pwede sumakay ba dyan? May bayad? Ah, walang bayad oh. Wow! Bubbles, baby oh. Saan? Oo. Oh, sige, doon na lang. Try natin. Malaga meron siya. Yun yung castle guys. So, ganda na. Ha? Picture? O, tara, picture na tayo. Habang wala pang tao. Let's go! Pa-picture muna tayo guys habang wala pa. Mayroon tayong dalawang coupon. Dalawang pwede. Ano yun, may saan mo nakuha yun?
Nagpa-picture din tayo sa camera.
Sa phone. Pwede rin tayo magpa-picture sa kanila sa phone. Please wait. Okay, no problem. Smile, smile!
Wow, agala ka. Wow.
Can you take us here also? Yeah. That's auto already. Ah.
One. Only one, one shot. Only 1, 2, peekaboo. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay guys, tapos na tayo, no?
Kung kailan pipicture na tayo sa
Kaya nga eh. Iba talaga guys pag nasa Disneyland ka, no? Alam mo yung mga tugtog, magical talaga, no? Tsaka mag-iiba mood mo, no? Magiging masaya. Siyempre, yung mga kanta talagang parang, alam mo yun, magiging bata ka ulit. Kaya sabi nga nila, happiest place on earth ang Disney. So, dito tayo sa Adventureland muna. Huwag muna tayo doon sa iba. Yan, Adventureland. Baka meron siyang mga ano dito eh. Jungle Adventure. At least may mga pambata dito. Oo, naalala ko na to. Dito ako nag-picture. Picture ako dito.
所有到达室内性的活动是有
So finally, nakawala rin itong bata. Oh. Excited oh. Dahil, halika na dito. Yeah!
森林河流之旅愉快，請各位當前有可能被推薦是歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅。請根據專輯
Wow!
嘅標誌選擇你想聽嘅各種語言。大家今日
Ganito lang yung mga pila nila guys. Konti lang yung pila. Kasi kakabukas lang din. Siguro yung iba nagpapahuli pa. No?
Saka Monday eh.
Oh, Monday din.
Baka na doon
Kulang yung factor din. Oo.
Kasi ito, wala ito.
Kasi ito parang matagal na to. Kasi yung Frozen medyo bago eh. Kaya siguro nandun pa iba. Konti lang pila. Excited ikaw? Teo. Excited ikaw? Yes. Come. Oh, excited ikaw? Stop. Let's go. Meron palang dalawang pila guys ha. May English na line tapos yung isa Chinese line. Baka makapunta kayo sa Chinese, patay kayo dyan. Buong ano nyo, Chinese yung salita, subtitle. Kaya pila kayo sa mga ano. Ayun, ang daming Chinese din.
Oo, mahina ka, mahina.
Excited na ang bata. Tapos mamaya guys, mag-Frozen tayo, no? Doon tayo sa next na siguro. Sulitin muna natin yung dito.
Yung mga
Oo, mga
pwede
pambata.
sa kanya na hindi siya matatakot.
Kasi Frozen medyo ano dun eh. Baka matakot to. Tulad dun guys, may naligaw. Mga Pinoy dito sa Chinese pumila. Buti na nasabihan namin. Kundi subtitle, wala silang subtitle dun guys. Yari.
Yes, careful.
Wow!
Well, hi, let's go down. Hello. Careful, what is that, mighty girl? Just a closer to get everybody. After all explorers have a seat, we can start our adventure very soon, okay? Be careful. Hello, guys. Yes, now please move to the back. Move to the back, thank you. We still have a lot of explorers like under the boat. Thank you so much. Alright, careful. It's that.
Yes!
Okay. The last explorers, you can see all the entrance later. You can leave faster than a free second.
Ayan na, baby!
Careful. Let's have a seat. Alright, so turn around and say goodbye to the beauty of the dog. Bye bye! Remember their faces, but we never see them at home. Alright, so on behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome aboard to the world famous Jungle Weaver Cruise. Hello everybody, I'm
English.
Skipper, jury guy, and women coach for the next coming 3 days. My name is CK. Hello guys! Hello! Nice to meet you all. Okay, so before we start our journey, I'm saying a reminder for you guys. Remember, keep your hands on feet to the inside bowl and remain seated. Take care of the children, okay? So everybody, are you guys ready? Yeah! Ready! Okay, so let's adventure. Let's go. Alright, so guys, please look at your left hand side. Okay, look at that way. There's nothing actually. Okay, so now please look at the right hand side. Wow, right hand side so beautiful, right? This is our famous Tarzan treehouse. Unfortunately, our Tarzan is traveling around the world with Jake right now. Oh, so we come visit his house. That's what's that, right? It's okay. We'll start our big city day and do romantic night very soon. It is adventure. We'll see a lot of different kinds of animals. Remember the magic spell. To say no to animals. Because definitely not just sprayed us water, okay? So now guys, please look at the left hand side. This is our mother elephant, baby elephant. What we need to say now? No. Everybody say no. I don't want to get wet. On the right hand side next level is our mother elephant. He's taking a shower in the waterfall. Let's say no together. No. Very good. Where you go, guys? Okay, so oh no, guys, no. In front of us is our father elephant. We gotta say no. Let's get wet together. 3, 2, 1.
Nabasa! Umiyak! Okay lang, baby! Yay!
Oh no! It's a giant spider! Everybody be careful! Look at the spiders there! So you're for the fire, but the photo member! Jump your head outside, okay?
Nabasa!
Sarah, guys, be careful! Don't let the spider jump inside my boat. I will scared of spiders. Oh no, there's no! Whoa! Just points us like, whoa, it's like a whole glass. And I was there looking at us. Okay, what we need to do now is to hold our breath and like,
Yun!
okay, I feel we're safe now.
Nabasa kami. Ako rin eh.
Okay,
Basang-basa.
so where is that go? Alright, what's everybody?
Sabi na basa kami ako. Basta kasi Mateo, nakita niyo yung reaction.
Turn off, leave
Ayun,
it, wait. You know the free
Wow,
Do you know what they like to eat? Do you like to try it? So do you remember those Santa? I don't like to fuck that quiet and eat it, okay? Sounds scary. Oh guys, look, we're on the right way. It's the camp on the side and my friend got to shout with his arms so very later we can tell.
Nakakabasa pala talaga dito, guys.
That's not my friend, it was gorilla. So, whoa.
Gorilla.
That's so horrible. The sign has become gorilla. Never mind, we're safe now. Woo! And here, we're in the African safari. Wow. My favorite place though. A lot of animals so excited. So we can see from here?
Zebra.
Giraffe and elephants here. Okay, so I have a question everybody. We have a lot of zebras here, right? Do you guys know which one is male zebra, which is female zebra? Anybody have idea? Right here. Okay, I teach you guys. So first look at the left hand side. Just 2 are the male zebras. The right hand side is the female zebra because woman always right. Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so that's right. The right hand side is the female zebra. Okay, the elephant also has 4 of us. Let's say goodbye to them. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm really from the African safari. Oh no.
Yay. Saya ba? Oh, wag ka na cry. Saya, di ba? Yay! Iyak-iyak.
Remember partial team every day, okay? I don't like people. Oh, great, yes! We're going to be excited when we just chat and the last one kept us game. Guys, do you guys need help? Hello? Oh no, I think they have some trouble right now, okay? Guys, should we help them or just leave? What do you guys think?
Mag-drive, guys. Galing mag-drive.
I'm so sorry guys, please we're not a boat, no one to help you. Sorry about that.
Galing mag-drive.
Wow, you guys so
Solid.
I like it.
Nagdidrift yung boat namin.
Wow. We're here in the local boat.
Ay, hindi. Paramatic
We see a lot of smiley faces here. So later remember to say hello.
Hindi niya pala dinadrive, guys. Matic pala to.
Surprise, okay? Let's say hello together. One.
Kasi delikado pala pag drive niya, no?
Good morning, everybody. Can we enjoy your breakfast time? Is it? Wow. This new fleet is sorry about that. Maybe we'll visit them next day, okay?
Seryoso mukha ng bata, oh.
People in the back are still alive. Good.
Good.
Oh, good? Oh, okay, fantastic. Alright, so if everybody's alright, we can go back to that right now.
Si ano, yung wolf?
3 days to that event.
Daming mga mascot.
We didn't change it our way. Wow, that's all. Wow. We're going in front of the last book to the bed. Okay, wait. Okay, there's the book now. Oh, no, no, we're trapped. Did somebody save us? Hi, Kathy. Oh, no. Wow. It's a god of fire, guys. Wow. We made a god of fire and we left the whole night kingdom. Woo! I love you, Chelsea. Woo! The fight's coming. We get everybody. Woo! It's a god of war. Look at this up here. Guys, we made it. Give a big hand to Sam.
Yay! Tapos na!
You got the front.
Yay! Very good ng baby ko!
Punta tayo kay Donald.
It's the baby elephant, guys. We're not breathing to go. Let's not say goodbye. Let's get okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, so before
Naiyak
we go back to y'all, remember.
Huwag na cry, okay. Okay na, wag na cry. Tapos na.
Yes, very good.
All done na, baby. All done. Yay! Very good ang baby ko. Very
You
good.
guys enjoy the trip?
Yes. Okay, tapos na. All done.
Just remember, I'm a skipper.
Very
My name
good
is
ang baby.
CK. Alright, what's my name again? Yeah, thank you guys. I love you guys. Just give me a few seconds to stop my boat and you guys will live
Okay na,
alone. Let's come
guys.
together.
Tapos
Bye.
na.
Wait for mommy.
Oops. Very good.
Nandun pa si Don.
Enjoy ka? Enjoy? Ang cute ni Mateo, guys. Kanina natakot siya. Natakot siya kanina dun sa nabasa. Nakita niyo yung itsura, no? Wawa naman. Pero at least, di ba, nag-enjoy siya. Enjoy siya sa ibang part. Tapos nakita niya pa si Donald Duck. Pupunta namin ngayon, guys. Ayun, no? Yes! Excited na si Bata. Suot niya pa naman si Donald Duck. Ayun, no? Tumatakbo pa. Oh, baka di maabutan. Dali. Baho. Ayun, si Donald Duck. Teka. B. Ayun, si Donald Duck. Tapos na?
Close na daw.
Close na? Favorite na. Favorite niya pa naman, oh.
Oh, wait natin dito. Ayaw man.
Close na, guys, pero okay lang.
Pag umalisa lang siya.
Oo. Wait mo dito, ha?
Ano na si Donald?
Pag dumaan si Donald Duck, picture na ikaw, ha? Donald Duck, favorite mo ba yan? Donald Duck.
O, pupunta tayo doon.
Oh, wait natin si Donald Duck, ha? Hi ka muna kay Donald Duck, ha? Ha? Oh, doon, lalapit sa'yo si Donald Duck, ha? Kikiss mo, ha? Yay, very good. Si Donald Duck, guys. Waiting tayo, no?
Dali, ayun mo. Donald Duck.
Dali. Ah! Donald Duck, favorite mo yan eh. Babay na. Babay, babay pa rin. High five, Donald Duck, dali, high five. High five, Donald Duck, Bye-bye! Umiyak si Donald Duck, oh. Bye-bye!
Okay na.
Inintay niya, tapos iyak din pala siya. Pero gusto niya, tinatawag niya, di ba?
Bye, Donald.
Bye-bye!
Babay pa din.
Okay lang, Donald Duck yun. So, damit mo nga yun eh. Wala na, umalis na guys. Babay ka na.
Upo ka muna.
Yung grizzly bear guys. Yung meron patras. Ayun na. Hintayin natin dito yung mga tao. Ayun na. Oh. Alin, mamaya sasakyan din natin. 5 minutes lang kasi sayang eh, di ba? Abangan natin si Alin. Dito na ata si Allen guys. Tingin, mami. Wait lang. Ayun na si Allen. Nakita. Ayun. Siya lang mag-isa. Walang katabi. Sayang. Kita ko, mami. Walang katabi, mami. Sayang. Wait natin si mami. Wait natin, mami. Dito muna ikaw, sakay ka muna dito. Kunyari nag-ride ka rin. Sakay ka. Sakay Mateo. Wow. Yay. Upo tayo. Sige. Try natin, guys. Try natin. Naingit tayo kay Allen eh. Tapos i-POV natin. Sabi niya masarap daw. Let's go! Grabe itong pataas. Itong mataas, guys. Umatras! Solid guys! Kawis!
Stay seated, folks. 请坐稳了，朋友们。
Grabe.
That sure was a wild ride.
Tapos na. Tapos na. Solid, ganda. Grabe. Buti pwede itong camera. Ganda. Grabe, nakaka-enjoy sobra. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy guys, promise. Kaya sabi ni Allen ang sarap. Hindi nga siya nakatakot. Pero bumibilis siya patras. Grabe, solid, ganda. Saya dito guys. 10 of 10 to sa akin. Ganda. Grabe. Gulat ako. Hindi ko kalain yung patras. Doon pala yun. Tapos yung bilis. Bibilis pa pala ng gano'ng kabilis. Buti na nakuha natin, ha. Saya. Grabe. Saya. Grabe. Gulat ako yung mabilis. Nagulat ako sa mabilis.
Pero masasarap yung mabilis.
Oo, sarap ng mabilis.
Hindi mo
So,
nakakatakot eh.
hindi nakakatakot. So, masaya, baby!
Next time kasama natin.
Sayang. Tara, libre tayo sa iba.
Nanap